Good morning. I know we had some tech issues yesterday, and so as we go through today, I don't want you to worry too much if you weren't able to get everything done from yesterday. Just if you have extra time to go back, that would be fantastic. The goal today is we are going to identify cognates, and you'll learn what that word means. We're going to identify cognates in a given paragraph. And why? It's because it makes the idea of learning Spanish a little bit more manageable. So as you go through the lesson today, I hope you can recognize that although Spanish can be a little intimidating, there are ways that make it easier. So for those who are in class, it's going to be a little shorter class period just because you're having your PBIS day today, learning about the different uh, things that we do at school to help you stay focused and on task and all that good stuff. So, what you'll do is first off, you'll watch this short video about cognates, what that means. And then the second is you'll click here and it'll be an assignment, a short assignment that has a paragraph in Spanish, and you'll identify the 14 cognates that are there in that paragraph. So if we're looking at this, what you're going to do is you want to look at this file. It's right here, PDF, and you can answer straight here on the assignment. So you'll enter the 14 cognates here, and then there's 10 short questions about those cognates. Just try your best. This is not for a grade. This is just so you can try your best and see how you do. And so when you're done with that, you'll go ahead and submit that. Make sure you do that here through It's Learning. And then when you're done, there's a short survey. What do you know about Spanish culture? So as we go through the school year, we're going to learn a lot about culture from our Spanish speaking countries. And so I want to know a little bit about what you may already know about some of these countries or regions. So look at Spain, and I'll have some fun facts about those: Mexico, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. So go through that. It's pretty short. And then just so I can get an idea of what we already know. One last note, if you have extra time, if you're in class, or if you get that done pretty quickly, if you're a bridge student, you can go back to yesterday's lesson and finish anything that you didn't. I know there were some issues with it saying that things were unavailable, or you just weren't able to get into It's Learning at all. We had the issue with Flipgrid not allowing us to get in. So those are all tech issues, and we shouldn't feel too worried about getting stuff done if it's a tech issue. But if you have extra time, you can go back. Here's a list right here. If you click here where it says master list of lessons, you can go to yesterday's date. Um, One note, if you weren't able to make it onto Flipgrid, which nobody was, um, please you can just send me a message and share that fun fact, whether it's a hobby, a talent, or a fun experience that you've had, just so I can get to know you a little bit.